In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into the app menu and looking for lock orientation shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue, which means that auto rotation is off. To turn it on, click on blue tile. You can also just go into settings and click on display. Then scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to auto rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!